Santana Welfare Society, an NGO based in Namsai, is by women and for women and children. It was founded in the year 2011 and is registered under the Societies Act as well as in the Niti Aayog portal. The NGO basically is involved in various activities for the upliftment of women, school dropouts, and school students. Our main areas of work are skill development and financial sustenance and financial security of women, be it in farming, backyard farming, weaving, value-added food items production, etc. It runs libraries, conducts literary workshops and exhibitions for school students. For the women, it is also catering to the need for health and hygiene. In order to create an awareness among the women about their health, it has also set up sanitary napkin production units so that women in the remotest parts and ignorant about health and hygiene can start using napkins and live a healthy life. The NGO runs sanitary napkin production units in Juna and Namsai, both in Namsai district. The story of the sanitary napkin production dates back to 4 October 2018. State Council for Science and Technology, Department of Science and Technology, Government of Arunachal Pradesh in collaboration with Priyanshi Educational and Cultural Society, PAKES Bhopal had organized a one-day workshop on menstruation and menstrual hygiene management and training. Dr. Shalini Saxena, Dr. Rakesh Srivastav from PAKES Bhopal, and Yumbi Yongam and Peri Game from Department of Science and Technology, Itanagar, were the resource persons for the workshop. Post the workshop, there was a 10 days training for which Miss Vandana Medkar from Bhopal was the resource person. Around 60 women from various villages had taken the training. We owe our thanks and gratitude to the Director, Department of Science and Technology, Itanagar, Shri C.D. Mungyak and his team for having shown us the path to this. Initially, we had set up a unit at Lathao, but then shifted it to Namsai, owing to feasibility for various reasons. We have conducted awareness campaigns, trainings, and workshops for the same in various villages, wherein many women showed concern and interest towards it. Seeing the active participation of the NGO in such women-oriented programs, the Honorable MLA Shri Chau Jingnu Namchum of Namsai sanctioned us a set of semi-automatic machines for a unit. Since then, there's no looking back. We have 4 women employees who work on a daily basis. So far, we have produced around 10 lakh napkins. The production at times is slow due to electricity breakage or shortage of raw materials, which have to be brought from other parts outside Arunachal. However, the work is continuing. Our supplies have gone to medical department, to shops and villages, and also to individuals. Inspired visitors from other parts and nearby districts of Namsai also visit our unit. Shri Ninong Iring, ex-MP, Eastern Zone, Arunachal Pradesh, had brought a group of women to show them that avenues are open for women if they persevere. Challenges are many. For instance, acquiring raw materials and convincing the rural women to start using napkins because they are stuck up with the old ways of maintaining their menstrual times. And also, it is challenging to convince women to shift from napkins made outside to locally made napkins. Many rural women still adhere to the old ways of menstrual hygiene. The response is but satisfactory. As we try to make ends meet, our perseverance to support and inspire women will continue. Thank you.